All right, let's go. We have a 2013 Toyota Venza driver's side sun visor that does not work properly. As you can see, it doesn't stay in the lock position open and it doesn't stay in the lock position closed. This one comes with a map holder, ceiling light, and a sliding mirror. First thing you need to do is remove the cover plate. Screwdriver pops out pretty easily. Once you remove that, use your 5-star wrench to remove both screws, one in the front and one in the back. Once you have removed both screws, pop it down. As you can see, this is how the part looks that goes into the ceiling. So now I'm going to replace the old sun visor with the new one. All you have to do is align the plastic to go right back in the slot. Okay, once you slide the plastic cover back up in the ceiling, again using your 6-point wrench, replace your 2 screws, one here in the front and one around the back side. Once you do that, slide your cover plate back on there, attach it, it snaps back in place. It should slide open. There's your light. Your light's working. Everything's replaced and ready to go. It works in the closed position and it works in the open position. All right, all set. That's it.